In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on bill.com. Now, the first thing you want to do here on your dashboard, you want to go to invoices on the left, and then you want to click on all invoices. So to actually create a new one, you want to click on create invoice top right over here, and then you have to basically fill in all the information. So you want to put in your customer. I'm going to select this one. If you want to add a new one, you can click on over here and just add a new customer over here on the right. Then whenever you do this, of course, you can select your template. So we have either detailed or simple, or of course, if you have any other ones or you want to add a new template, you can do this over here as well. I'm going to go with this detailed one over here so we can cover all the fields. And then down here, you have to select your payment method. You'll have to put in the invoice details if you want it to be one time or recurring. And then here, of course, is the invoice number. Then, of course, when you've put in the invoice number, you want to put in the invoice date as well. We're going to put this at the 30th of June over here, 2026. You have to put on the terms, the due date, and of course, the sales rep and PO number in case that's relevant in your case. Then if you want to add custom fields, you can do that as well and create your templates that way. Now down here, you can add in your items. I'm going to just do hours over here. You can put in descriptions over here and then set your prices and quantities. Now taxes can be added over here as well, and then you'll have to set them up over here in case it's relevant for you. If you want to add multiple rows, keep clicking over here and adding new ones and typing in all the things that are going to go on your invoice. I'm going to keep two things over here. It's going to be, for example, hours and shipping, and I'm going to just make shipping $5, and that's it for now, okay? So whenever you've done this, as you can see the subtotal, the total, the credits, if they have any, and then from here it says amount due, and you can see the total. Now, messages on invoice can be added down here, and if you have any attachments like images, PDFs, CSVs, sheets, whatever, you can attach them down here as well by clicking on this button and selecting whatever you want to attach. Then when you're ready, you can click on either Save Draft or Review and Send down here, and whenever you do this, you'll be able to select how you want to send it, and that's pretty much all you have to do. That's how to create an invoice on bill.com. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.